everyone, my name is Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video I'm going to be showcasing and basically sharing with you my recommendations for the best render settings for Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's get into the video. Okay everyone, so I'm on Premiere Pro as you can see right now. So first thing you want to do, actually, a bit of advice, is before you actually consider rendering anything, is essentially hold click and drag this little box across, well, every single layer that every single thing you've got in your timeline. And essentially what this does is it just renders everything that you basically cover in the white box. Now come to File, Export, Media, and essentially this is essentially the render settings I use. So format is H.264, preset high quality 1080p. You can go for high bitrate, but again, this video is basically, you know, me sharing my render settings. And yeah, just go for that and export video. Timing, well, basically just leave all that alone. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay everyone, so that's basically the render settings, which I obviously recommend you use in your... If you have any preferred render settings, then be sure to leave them in the comments section. Well, I'd love to know. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much further. And leave any questions or feedback in the comments section or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.